Hello, I'm going to give you a quick introduction to insuring hotels. Sutcliffe & Co have been insuring the leisure industry for over 50 years. So I hope to give you some of the knowledge we've picked up about what needs insuring and what doesn't need insuring in the hotel trade. One of the first things you might consider is insuring the property itself. That could be the buildings, contents, stock, and so on. You need to make sure that you specify some items individually. This could be stock, especially valuable stock, such as alcohol, or stock that is subject to temperature control that might be in your freezer. And you also may want to consider varying the stock levels on a seasonal basis, knowing that perhaps you may have more stock at Christmas time or Easter. There's other items that you might need to mention individually. These could be specifically expensive items. You may have some works of art, or items that you keep outside, such as grounds equipment, or permanent outdoor equipment, such as swimming pools, tennis courts, and so on. Alongside the property, you need to insure business interruption. If you were to suffer a significant claim, your business might stop trading or see a downturn in income. Business interruption is designed to cover this shortfall in income. The leisure sector is full of members of the public, as you'd expect, and unfortunately members of the public are prone to trips and slips, as your huge health and safety paperwork would probably testify to. That means you need public liability insurance. This will cover you if a member of the public is injured or their property damaged. And you may not be guilty, but you still need to defend that claim. Products liability is along similar lines, and that's where something you supply causes injury or illness. Hopefully not food poisoning. Again, connected to this is employer's liability, which is designed to cover your business should an employee suffer an injury in the workplace. And that can include part-time employees. And this is a legal requirement to have employer's liability insurance. And remember, if you ever have an incident that might affect your public, product or employer's liability, you should tell your insurance broker straight away, because they'll need to start building your defence up for you, because that claim could come 5, 10, 20 years down the line. So the sooner we prepare your defence, the better. Other insurances you might want to consider would be equipment breakdown. Essential if you've got things like air conditioning, boilers, or other equipment and plant. Money cover, which may need to be heightened during seasonal periods. Computer cover for your electronic equipment, and you may need to specify items that you move away from the property, such as laptops or portable devices. And then cyber liability insurance to protect you against accidental or deliberate damage or misuse of your data. And with most hotels having large databases of client information and collecting bank details, this is a new and serious problem. You may also want to consider a wide range of other insurances, such as tour operators liability, motor, personal accident, legal expenses, and so on. The way to find out whether you have the right insurance is to speak to a specialist, because no two hotels are the same and all have different requirements. For example, if your hotel is next to a racecourse and you rely on the trade for that racecourse for a significant amount of your income, does your existing policy cover you should the racecourse close, for heavy weather for example? Therefore, speak to a specialist, and if you need help, call Sutcliffe & Co.